All right, we are down here at Annapolis, Maryland today, working on a lawn sprinkler system that we installed a few years ago, and now we're doing a bunch of different modifications for different landscaping, different sod requirements, and it's a beautiful June day out here. Claudia, how are you?
Good.
Good? What happened to you yesterday? Buying shoes? Buying boots?
No le dijiste que JB, for JB go.
Oh, did he go? Where's he going? Marine?
Yeah.
Good.
North Carolina.
That's great.
Yep. Le voy a enseñar foto de JB.
Oh, shave it?
Yeah.
What, can you just shave it around, bring it down, or no? All off?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Proud.
Yeah.
Proud. Good for you. Congratulations.
The tanks are definitely due for a good clean.
Good cleaning. Rudy,
Both working on it.
how much dirt? A lot of debris, a lot of stuff in the roof? Not as bad as the first time.
Both of them worked. Both of them made it out to the water. Dirty, not horribly, but they need a good clean.
Well, it's all winter time, you know.
Yeah, it's a lot of stuff in there.
It'd probably be a good drink, wouldn't it? You think?
You got some cups, I'll go down there and wait while you pull the pump.
Like chocolate.
So we have the one here, one out right before the time.
Did you guys find it?
Yeah.
Come on. No, I haven't. I looked yesterday. I thought it was one here and one over here. Just the one? Oh, there it is. Walked right past it yesterday, didn't we? So that's funny. But I thought there was another one over here, Rick.
No.
No, we don't.
Just the one?
This one is together close to the boxes. Here now.
Gotcha. So what do you got going around here, Rick? Walk me around. Show me what you got.
Heads in the place of this. Many heads got it broken to the machine.
You got somebody keeping the list? How many heads?
Yeah, that's the one we got to put it separate now.
Okay. Maybe put them in the box when you get back, then you know how many broken ones we have.
Yeah, and we got to replace you see that now? I think so the guy that put the machine, we already lifted up the pipe and cut it, and then we already fixed it like a 20 feet that now.
Isn't that a stump grinder?
Yeah, and it's this one right here, you see the root system now?
Yeah, was there a stump there?
Yeah, it's a big
I don't remember a
stump.
tree there.
It's
Was
a,
it?
It's a big stump. That's the one he said you got to put it in there a little.
I don't remember any of these shoes on it.
Yeah, I don't remember we already got the time we already changed, but I stopped it there.
So it must have been in there the whole time we've been working, didn't never realize it.
Yeah.
Valve box.
I think so it's better put another box.
I gave Felix 3. I don't know how many more he picked up.
One already done one, but I think so we already asked for another one over here and put the different. So that one we already go flat was to the.
Did you see the one with your shut off on it?
Yeah.
That was way down.
Yeah.
That's why I told you about taking that big one this morning. Put some bricks around it and just lift it up.
Someone already raised the standard one with wood. I assume that was a landscaper or somebody. They
Oh, okay.
left the 10-inch one
The
there.
10 inches, the one we need to put another one.
Oh, okay.
Because if we can rise the bow is still in the ground.
Okay. So here's where the stump was?
Yeah, that's the.
I don't remember this tree here.
I don't remember because I think today. Oh, this one is done.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's a good size.
That is the one he said bring him in there, this machine.
Are they gonna cut this out?
Yeah, he said we already take it out. This one.
That's a big tree, wasn't it? Wilbur said last week he fixed the wire. They cut the wire here to the lights too. Last week when he was down here by himself, he said that he fixed this wire. Somebody had cut that all up. Yeah, someone had cut this outlet up too. Look at the outlet.
Yeah.
Yep.
Probably another piece that got cut.
Cut and then it got re-thrown in the ground. It probably got cut and then it got pulled back in the ground, buried and pulled this direction. See?
Yeah.
See, it's this piece of trash.
Oh yeah.
Look, all the ships coming up to Baltimore. See them?
Yeah.
All lined up,
Yeah.
heading up into the port. The port's 100% open now. The whole 750 lane channel.
Good.
They were up there last night cleaning it. They had a whole bunch of clam attachments on there last night, cleaning off the bottom. They had one boat out there, one ship, one barge with sonar on it, directing the guys, you know, with cameras, and then they were picking up the pieces and hauling it out of there. There's about 20 of them up there last night. They were going crazy with all the lights on it, you know, just getting all the rest of the trash off the bottom.
Everything is already.
Yep, ready to go. Ready to go, baby. But you can see all the tankers out there.
Yeah.
All the cargo ships. Look at them all. There's a lot of them. Look how many of them stacked up out there along the sailboaters. See all the sailboats around them? Yeah, that's you can come down under there and fish right off of here.
Yeah.
You ever fish off of here?
I try.
Yeah, you and I talked about that one time.
Yeah,
remember?
I tried last time. Yeah.
Good fishing?
Yeah, it's a good fishing, but it's a lot of people came.
Was it?
In the weekend.
On the weekend?
Yeah, Saturday and the night we had got a lot of people.
I bet.
Sunday, the same thing.
Don't look like a whole lot of people over there now.
No, now. I see two park police in last time, but
They say anything to you?
No.
You gotta use your license over there?
Yeah.
Yeah, no problem then.
No problem. If we already have a fishing license.
Fishing like was
we
15
already
bucks?
Yeah, we already pay 45 for everything.
Did you?
Yeah,
That's a good deal.
Soft and fresh water.
For both?
Yeah, for both, and the crabs too.
What do you gotta have a sandy point? Same?
Same thing. And the park police, we already all the time. We already.
Do they come
ask
up and
everybody.
check you?
Yeah, and they check.
But
you.
they're cool, right?
Yeah.
All they want to
no,
make sure you got your license on you.
Yeah, if we already have a license, we don't have any problem.
Yeah. Like anything, they just want to see what's going on.
Yeah, yes, only he asked for a check-in and
Yeah.
that's it.
Good
Open
deal.
the cooler, make sure we don't have nothing wrong in there. and
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah. Jersey, how you doing? Doing good? You see any crabs over here today? Any crabs? No. Remember last time they had some, but I think it was later. I think it was in July or August.
Yeah, you like.
But last time they were coming up around here.
Yeah, that's the one we already we already took
Yeah, remember that? When you all walked around here?
Yeah.
We went around here and we came up this side, remember? Came up over here.
Yeah, the fight is going like the white.
Yeah, remember that?
Yeah.
Comes up, defeats that side, remember?
Yeah, we already moved all this snake over
Let me see. I haven't seen any snakes.
here. Yeah, it's underneath here.
You saw some?
Yeah, they move it quick.
You saw some today?
Yeah.
How is this character doing? Look at this guy. Oh, look at this guy, popping fresh. Hey, he's a popping fresher.
I'm doing the extra pipe to right here.
Okay.
That's the data from what I'm the pipe is to.
Make this 360. Empty rotor. Maybe. Come on, Wilbur. Wilbur said it. Oh, Mr. Bobby, here, let me draw you up. All right, Mr. Graydon, you ready to go to another job site?
Yep.
All right, we're out of here. We'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching this episode of Life of a Contractor, and we'll see you next week with another episode.